As a data professional, you will be working with a variety of data file types and formats. It is important to understand the underlying structure of file formats along with their benefits and limitations. This understanding will support you to make the right decisions on the formats best suited for your data and performance needs. Some of the standard file formats that we will cover in this video include delimited text file formats, Microsoft Excel Open XML Spreadsheet, or XLSX, Extensible Markup Language, or XML, Portable Document Format, or PDF, JavaScript Object Notation, or JSON. Delimited text files are text files used to store data as text in which each line or row has values separated by a delimiter, where a delimiter is a sequence of one or more characters for specifying the boundary between independent entities or values. Any character can be used to separate the values, but most common delimiters are the comma, tab, colon, vertical bar, and space. Comma-separated values, or CSVs, and tab-separated values, or TSVs, are the most commonly used file types in this category. In CSVs, the delimiter is a comma, while in TSVs, the delimiter is a tab. When literal commas are present in text data and therefore cannot be used as delimiters, TSVs serve as an alternative to CSV format. Tab stops are infrequent in running text. Each row or horizontal line in the text file has a set of values separated by the delimiter and represents a record. The first row works as a column header, where each column can have a different type of data. For example, a column can be of date type, while another can be a string or integer type data. Delimited files allow field values of any length and are considered a standard format for providing straightforward information schema. They can be processed by almost all existing applications. Delimiters also represent one of various means to specify boundaries in a data stream. Microsoft Excel Open XML Spreadsheet, or XLSX, is a Microsoft Excel Open XML file format that falls under the spreadsheet file format. It is an XML-based file format created by Microsoft. In an XLSX, also known as a workbook, there can be multiple worksheets, and each worksheet is organized into rows and columns, at the intersection of which is the cell. Each cell contains data. XLSX uses the open file format, which means it is generally accessible to most other applications. It can use and save all functions available in Excel and is also known to be one of the more secure file formats as it cannot save malicious code. Extensible Markup Language, or XML, is a markup language with set rules for encoding data. The XML file format is both readable by humans and machines. It is a self-descriptive language designed for sending information over the internet. XML is similar to HTML in some respects, but also has differences. For example, an XML does not use predefined tags like HTML does. XML is platform independent and programming language independent, and therefore simplifies data sharing between various systems. Portable Document Format, or PDF, is a file format developed by Adobe to present documents independent of application software, hardware, and operating systems, which means it can be viewed the same way on any device. This format is frequently used in legal and financial documents and can also be used to fill in data such as forms. JavaScript Object Notation, or JSON, is a text-based open standard designed for transmitting structured data over the web. The file format is a language-independent data format that can be read in any programming language. JSON is easy to use, is compatible with a wide range of browsers, and is considered as one of the best tools for sharing data of any size and type, even audio and video. That is one reason many APIs and web servers return data as JSON.